Right, so guys, this is us.
We're baking cupcakes.
Yes. What have we done so far?
So we've added the sugar, butter, flour, 2 eggs, and now we're gonna put the vanilla essence in it.
Vanilla essence, right. Okay, go. See, we're all set up, guys. Check it out. Ready to rock.
Right, David's got the flour to add.
Can I
Fleur,
mix
as we
it?
call it in Scotland.
Flour.
There we go, young Davs. He's quite the man.
I'm so hungry.
Whoa.
Good old beat.
No, we need that spoon, David.
I need it.
You can have this.
He was just one each. Oh, nummies. This is how it's made, people. This is how it's made. Right, so here we go. And how long did this go in the oven for?
I don't know. 180 for 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah. And we'll be back down for the result, eh?
Certainly will.
So that's them out. We thought one was going to explode.
Look at how fat this one is.
That's pretty good, but we're going to go for some icing now.
Yep.
Cool.
Some chocolate icing maybe?
You want to put the icing on or light it? Right, hold this bit close at the top.
Bit icing, you guys.
And I
Squeeze it
pick
from
the
the top.
cupcake.
But they're still hot, you see, so we can't put the icing on all of them, can we? Is that right?
Yeah, we'll leave here.
Got some hundreds and thousands as well. That's all we need. Young Dav's got some chocolate. You have to watch Bailey, guys. Watch her, watch her, watch her. Nice. And that's us, you guys. Easy peasy. Just as easy as that. Anyone can do it. Nice and simple. And the taste test. Absolute, I mean, Bailey. Oh, shit, I know, Bailey, but it's not good for you. I can't. Okay, I know you love the smell. I'm sorry, darling. Just can't, Bailey. No. I know.